Sound of Colors is a 2001 Taiwanese children's picture book written and illustrated by Jimmy Liao. The Chinese title means subway, and the book follows a blind girl's imaginations as she rides the city's rapid transit. The book was translated to English by Sarah L. Thompson and published in 2006 as The Sound of Colors. Reception. Publishers Weekly wrote the book offers a meditation on blindness that will stay with readers long after they have closed the paper overboard book. Translations. English, The Sound of Colors, A Journey of the Imagination. Translated by Sarah L. Thompson. Little, Brown and Company. 2006. Japanese, Shikatetsu. Translated by Noriko Housako. Shogakukan. 2002. Korean, Jihacheol. Translated by Becky Ann Young. Samto Publishing. 2004. Thai, Nihai Klakasit. Translated by Pratham Phentang Kunthawat. Nanmi Books. 2004. Spanish, El Sonido de los Colores. Translated by Jordi Ainad I Escudero. Barbara Fiore Editora. 2008. French, Le Sunday Coulas. Translated by Stéphane Levesque. Bayard Jeunesse. 2009. Italian, La Voce dei Colori. Translated by Silvia Torchio. Eds Ioni Gruppo Abile. 2011. Polish, Dzwiki Koloro. Translated by Katarzyna Saruk. Officina. 2012. Dutch, De Klank van Kleuren, Een Race van de Verbeelding. Translated by Elske Kampen. Edge of Force. 2013. Vietnamese, Am Ton Ka Sc Mao. Translated by Nguyen L. Chi Kim NG Publishing House. 2014. Adaptations. Sound of Colors, a 2003 film directed by Zhou Ma, starring Miriam Yung, Tony Leung Chiu-wei, Dong Ji, and Chong Chen. Sound of Colors, a 2006 TV series directed by Zhang Min, starring Ruby Lin, Wallace Huo, Hao Lei, and Huang Meng.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.